Hi everybody, welcome to Japanese Cooking Lovers. I'm Yuri. Today I will show you how to make Daigakuimo. What is Daigakuimo? It's a Japanese sweet potato and also like caramel coated outside. Daigakuimo is popular food in Japan because it's sweet, so that people eat as a sweets or snack. And my mom sometimes made it for me when I grown up. And I like this one very much. However, usually this cooking method is deep fry Japanese sweet potato, but I found much quicker and easier way on Japanese other websites, so I want to introduce this way. And it's very quick and easy, so you may want to try it. So this is how to make Daigakuimo, and you just see that's very quick and easy and less messy than traditional deep fry way. And I am making every Saturday new video, so if you like my video, please thumbs up for me and subscribe my YouTube channel. This is Japanese Cooking Lovers, and I am Yuri. I hope you enjoy my video and make this dish. See you next time.